Hi, this is the OneQR check-in mobile app. We've designed it for the 2021 APEC App Challenge. It's designed to make COVID-19 QR check-ins really simple and really fast. But first, what are COVID-19 QR check-ins?
To help track the spread of COVID-19, in a lot of regions when people enter a venue, they're first required to scan a QR code. Doing this records that person's contact details as well as where they were and when. That's what we mean by QR check-in. They've become popular due to their simplicity and effectiveness.
As borders start to open up and people start to travel again, QR check-ins are of great importance. But unfortunately, there are a few problems with them that we aim to solve. Each region around the world has implemented QR check-ins in a different way. This means that users require a different check-in app for each region they visit. In Australia, for example, users need a different check-in app for each state.
This makes things confusing for travelers. It can be hard to know which app to use for your current location, leading to people skipping the check-in process entirely, which in turn leads to less effective outbreak tracking. Checking in shouldn't be hard. It should be super simple so everyone can focus on rediscovering the joys of travel.
Let's pretend we just arrived at a venue and need to check in. There are 3 scenarios that our app handles to make checking in as easy as possible. Let's have a look at how it works. We'll start by opening the app. OneQR has identified I'm currently in the ACT in Australia using my phone's GPS and the Position Stack API. OneQR can tell that I already have my local QR check-in app installed, so after a few seconds, it will automatically open it and I can check into the venue using the local check-in app. We'll start by opening the app. OneQR has identified that we're somewhere new. In this case, it's identified that I'm in Singapore. OneQR looks through my installed apps, but can't find Singapore's local check-in app installed. OneQR automatically redirects us to the install page for the local check-in app. Once this local check-in app is installed, we can use it to check in. If we go back to the OneQR app, we can see that it will now instead direct us to open the app we just installed. We'll start by opening the app. OneQR is having issues identifying our local check-in app. This could be because our location is turned off, or because OneQR currently doesn't support our location's local check-in app, whatever that may be. When this happens, we'll be asked to scan the QR code using the built-in QR scanner. Normally, this will redirect us to the current region's government's website, where we can install the local check-in app. It's that easy. You just open OneQR and let it do everything for you. You don't need to search the internet to figure out which app you need to install, or search through all your installed apps to find the right one. We've made it so there are no excuses to skip the check-in process. We believe our app inspires confidence with the check-in process for travellers, and that our app will help to support the recovery of the APEC region's tourism sector as COVID-19 vaccination efforts make local travel more practical.
Want to try it yourself? We've made the APK file available so that those with Android devices can try it or demo. Due to time limitations, please expect to run into some bugs depending on your specific device. Currently, we have a working minimum viable product. Even though it's an MVP, it's already really easy to scale up to reach increasingly larger populations while still being sustainable. We can do this by, first, expanding our list of check-in apps to cover more countries and regions. Currently, only a few countries are supported for demonstration purposes, but we can easily add more. Second, due to our chosen development platform, we are also easily able to export the app to iPhone as well as Android.
We hope that OneQR check-in will help keep travellers happy and healthy, as well as get people moving again.
Thank you.